Good morning, students. How are you all? I am hoping that you all are safe and fine. As you know that our science syllabus is done. So yes, all the chapters which are coming for this year, all the chapters are done. So now we are going to do the bookwork of the last chapter, that is 12th chapter, natural disasters. So only bookwork of 12th chapter is left, that I will share today, and tomorrow I am going to revise the complete chapter, all three concepts of this chapter, and afterwards our syllabus will be completed, and very soon I will share with you all the schedule for the test. So yes, on which day we will have our oral test, on which day we will have our written test, and written test will be of which kind, like MCQ, like written paper kind. So all the things will be mentioned on that circular. So I will share it with you all very soon. So you have to do the work accordingly. And for today we are here with our bookwork. So today I am going to discuss the bookwork. So yes, students, you all have to, tomorrow I will share the PDF of this chapter with you all. So what you have to do for this week? For this week, I am not going to give you any special work or any extra work. So for this work, you just have to complete your complete notebook. So yes, all 4 chapters which we have done in this essay 2, you have to complete that portion in your notebook. You have to complete your bookwork in your book. So all the things you have to do for this week. And yes, don't be panic about 2 or 3 things. First thing, regarding the videos which I am taking from your side only. So yes, the students which who are sending me the videos. So yes, rest of the students are asking me regularly on my WhatsApp number that ma'am, when is our turn, or what is the criteria to send the videos. So yes, don't be panic about that, don't be worry about that. I will be asking to you all one by one videos of yours only on a particular topic. So yes, randomly you can't make your videos. अपने आप से कोई भी वीडियो मत बनाओ until and unless I am not asking for a particular topic. मैं आपको एक टॉपिक दूंगी और आपको बोलूंगी कि 3 to 4 मिनट्स की आपको इस पे पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे मुझे वीडियो बनाकर भेजना है. पीपीटी बनाना है कि नहीं बनाना है वो भी मैं आपको मेंशन कर दूंगी. तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, एंड ईच एंड एवरीबडीज टर्न विल डेफिनेटली कम. सबका टर्न आएगा, सब मुझे वीडियोस भेजेंगे, एंड डेफिनेटली आई विल इनकॉर्पोरेट ऑल द वीडियोस ऑफ योर्स इन माय वीडियो. तो आप सबकी वीडियो मेरी वीडियो में आएगी. सो यस, डोंट वरी. Basically, my purpose for taking your videos is to increase the confidence in you. आप जब मुझे वीडियोस भेजते हो तो कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होता है, वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन, बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग सीखते हैं. सो माई बेसिक पर्पज इज दैट ओनली. And second thing, many of the students are asking me about the syllabus for this exams. So yes, first I am going to tell you about कि आपके ऐसे 2 तो आपके मार्च में होंगे. जो आपके PT2 हैं, PT2 are going to be held in month of the January. So don't be panic about the syllabus, don't be worried about the syllabus कि हो जाएगा वो. It's not a big deal. तो वो हम लोग कर लेंगे. और अभी आपको सिर्फ फोकस करना है जो हमने ऐसे 2 में जो सिलेबस किया ऐसे 1 के बाद, यानी कि चैप्टर 8, चैप्टर 9, चैप्टर 11 एंड देन चैप्टर 12. जस्ट फोकस ऑन दीज 4 चैप्टर्स ओनली. इसके अलावा अगर और कोई चैप्टर आएगा फ्रॉम द essay 1 ऑल्सो, देन आई विल लेट यू नो. तो अभी हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. वी आर हैविंग 3 months इन आवर हैंड्स. तो डोंट वरी, हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, टेस्ट ले लेंगे, हर तरह का सब कुछ हो जाएगा. लेकिन अभी मेरा मेन पर्पस है आपकी नोटबुक्स कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए, ताकि जो भी हम याद करें वो आपको आए, आपको समझ आए हम क्या कर रहे हैं और आप उसको कर पाओ. सो बेसिकली फॉर दिस वीक यू जस्ट हैव टू कंप्लीट योर नोटबुक, नथिंग एल्स. मैं आपको कोई भी होमवर्क नहीं दे रही हूँ. हम नेक्स्ट वीक से थोड़ा थोड़ा करके होमवर्क करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. सो यस, 2 डाउट्स जो मेजर थे वो खत्म हो गए हैं. एक तो वीडियो वाला, वो मैं आपसे मांग लूंगी. सेकंड, आपका सिलेबस, अभी आपको उसके लिए सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन 4 चैप्टर्स जो हमने ऐसे 2 में किए हैं, ठीक है. सो यस, नाउ मूव बैक टू आवर बुक वर्क जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है. सो यस, बुक वर्क इज नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. सो फर्स्ट बुक वर्क इज प्रेजेंट ऑन 124 पेज नंबर. फर्स्ट, एज ऑलवेज, वी आर गोइंग टू डू the MCQ part. Page number 124. So yes, first MCQ is the molten rock that flows on the surface of the earth is cold. Yes, you know that जब तक molten rock is present inside the earth, it is called as magma. But when it comes out on the surface of the earth, it will be called as lava. Its option is B. Next one is Mount Vesuvius and Mount Fuji are two famous dash volcanoes. Yes, we discussed. ये तो just याद ही करना था हमें. It is these are the active volcanoes. So yes, option A, active volcanoes. Now next MCQs are present on. नहीं, sorry, इसी का ही है हमारा third question. Dash volcanoes are those volcanoes that have stopped erupting. जो अभी पहले कभी इरप्ट हुए थे या हो सकते थे बट अभी नहीं हुए हैं और ना होंगे. These are called extinct volcano. Option C of extinct volcanoes. Now next MCQs are present on page number 125. First MCQ is sudden shaking of a part of the earth is called an sudden shaking होने का मतलब क्या है? It is an earthquake. So its option is B, earthquake. Now second question is the point inside the earth where an earthquake begins is called. Yes, I told you the point from where the earthquake begins is known as focus, and the point just above that focus on the surface of the earth is known as epicenter. So its answer is A, focus. Third question is dash scale is used for measuring an earthquake. Celsius, Richter or meter? It's Richter. So yes, these were the MCQs present on page number 125. Now next are present on page number 127. First MCQ, which is not a natural disaster? Earthquake, flood, poverty. It is not a natural disaster. ये अपने आप से नेचर में कभी भी नहीं आ सकता. वो हमें पता है. पॉवर्टी मतलब गरीबी ऐसा नहीं है कि नेचर ने एकदम से दिया और हम गरीब हो गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Which of the following cause severe water shortage? Yes, water shortage कब होती है? ड्रॉट में, सूखा पड़ने में. So its answer is A, drought. Now next one is the area on the surface of the earth just above the focus. मैंने अभी भी बताया just above the focus is known as epicenter. Its option is A, epicenter. Last one is dash volcanoes are the volcanoes that erupt regularly or have erupted in the recent past. These are known as active volcanoes. Option A. Now next MCQs are again present on page number 128. First one. When the volcano erupts, dash comes out. Yes, पहले भी अभी हमने किया था first MCQ. It is lava. So its answer is B. Now second question is a volcano that has no lava supply. It is a an active volcano, dormant volcano or extinct volcano. It is extinct volcano. Option C. So yes, this is about the MCQs. Now move on to circle the odd one out. First one is active volcano, dormant volcano and Mount Fuji. तो यस यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं, आपको रीजन करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. हम इसको डोरमेंट वोल्केनो भी आंसर कर सकते हैं क्योंकि एक्टिव वोल्केनो एंड माउंट फ्यूजी दोनों के दोनों एक्टिव वोल्केनो की बात की गई है. सो हियर वी कैन राइट डोरमेंट वोल्केनो बिकॉज इट इज ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड. लेकिन थर्ड वन इज हम यहाँ पे इसको माउंट फ्यूजी भी नाम दे सकते हैं बिकॉज एक्टिव वोल्केनो एंड डोरमेंट वोल्केनो आर द टाइप्स ऑफ द वोल्केनो एंड माउंट फ्यूजी इज एन एग्जाम्पल. तो आप किसी भी तरह से दे सकते हो बट आपको बस रीजन सही देना है, दोनों ही करेक्ट होंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेंट, अर्थक्वेक, लावा. You know that vent and lava are related terms with the volcanoes, but earthquake is a different term. So yes, its answer is earthquake. Next one is active volcano, Richter scale and seismograph. You know that Richter scale and seismograph are the terms related with an earthquake. So different is active volcano. Okay, now last is filling the blanks. Not last, अभी हम करेंगे oral question and science quiz questions. Filling the blanks. So first one is molten rock at the surface of the earth is called, yes, it is lava. हर जगह पे लावा के बारे में ही बात की गई है, मैग्मा के बारे में कहीं बात नहीं की है पूरी बुक में, इन सारे बुक वर्क में. Based on their nature of eruptions, volcanoes are divided into dash types. Yes, 3 types. ये तो हमने डिटेल में किया है. Next one is undersea earthquakes sometimes causes tsunami. इसमें T साइलेंट होता है, तो यस स्पेलिंग में एरर मत करना. सुनामी आर नोन एज, सुनामी को और क्या कहा जाता है? टाइडल वेव्स. And the last fill in the blank is in tidal waves, speed of the water may reach up to dash kilometer per hour. It is 800 kilometer per hour. So yes, this is about the fill in the blanks. Now next one is oral questions जो हम हर बार डिस्कस करते हैं. First one is what is known as Pacific Ring of Fire. Yes, as I told you, Pacific Ocean is an ocean where the chances of volcanoes are very high because many of the active volcanoes are present nearby or in the Pacific Ocean. So that's why it is known as Pacific Ring of the Fire. Next question is what are aftershocks? Yes, you know that when earthquake come, then major shocks come. But we can see or we can observe the tremors after the stroke also. So these are known as aftershocks, which are coming after main stroke. Next one is what are natural disasters? Natural disasters are the calamities which occurs or which causes by the nature only, like flood, like drought, like volcanoes. So all these are natural disasters. Next is science quiz questions. Name the instrument used to measure earthquake. It is seismograph. They are not asking for the scale. Scale means it is Richter scale. They are asking an instrument. Instrument is seismograph. So don't get confused in these two terms. Instrument is seismograph and scale is Richter scale. Last one is name the molten rock present inside the volcano. First question came जो inside की बात कर रहा है. It is magma. Otherwise इसने जितनी भी बात की थी they are talking about lava, lava, lava. But now they are asking about the molten rock which is present inside the earth is magma. ठीक है? So yes, this is the book work of this chapter. I am hoping that like all the chapters you are clear with this chapter also. और आपको सब समझ आया है and you are doing well or you are doing with me only. जैसे जैसे मैं काम करवा रही हूँ आप वैसे वैसे अपना काम कर रहे हो और everything is on track. So don't worry about the science paper, science work क्योंकि हम बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे और बहुत अच्छे से आपको आता होगा at the time of the exams. So don't worry about your science subject, science paper, वो सब मैं संभालूंगी. So yes, be happy and learn करो, समझो उस चीज को, क्रैम मत करो. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you.